Gemini Pro for 4 months, Gemini Pro for 1 year, and Gemini Pro for 18 months. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to get Gemini Pro for 18 months, 1 year and 4 months, you are at the right place. So in this video, I will show you the subscription process of 4 months Gemini Pro and 1 year, okay? I added the payment method and I use the invite link of 4 months, okay? Now I just click on the subscribe button. The mail is eligible for 4-month offer. You can see there, it's showing me 0 cost. So you can see we have subscribed successfully to this offer. We have got multiple features, okay, like NotebookLM Gemini Pro, 1000 credit of Veo Ultra every month, and Gemini in docs and other features, okay. These are pro features which we have got, and you can see there the pro plan has been activated. If you want to get account of Gemini Pro 4 months, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram, okay. You can join my community. The link is provided in comment of the video, okay. You can check pen comment. So now I am going to subscribe 1 year plan of Gemini Pro. You can see I have generated the link for 1 year. So now I have added the payment method in the backend, and simply I will subscribe this, okay. You can see there, this is the 5 terabyte storage which we will get. So simply click on subscribe, start trial, and you can see there we have got the trial for 12 months. Now click on subscribe. So it has been subscribed successfully. If you want to get Gemini Pro 18 month, 1 year and 4 month, you can contact me on WhatsApp and Telegram. The link is in comment of the video, okay. It's the same like us, we have got multiple pro features and these are very useful. You can see there the pro badge has been appeared. You can see the Gemini Pro has been activated.